The best dash cams are proof that a small thing can protect you from some big problems. Cars are dangerous, and that makes the open road a perilous place to be. There's no telling who you're sharing the road with and what kind of problems they could cause with a single wrong maneuver. And the last thing you need is for that same person to turn around and try to blame you when the inevitable accident occurs. To help you find the right model, we've listed the top 6 dash cams and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, validconsumer.com. Number 6. Rove R2 4K. You could spend hundreds of dollars on a quality dash cam, or you can spend tens of dollars on one that will get the job done. This one falls near the middle, which means it's full of features but won't cost the equivalent of a car payment. Its Ultra HD camera offers great video quality, capturing images up to 2160p resolution, and the built-in Wi-Fi and GPS can track your route on the free Rove app or on Google Apps. It has a 150-degree wide-angle lens with an f1.8 aperture, plus motion detection, G-sensor, loop cycle recording, emergency lock, time-lapse, and slow-motion capabilities. The Sony Starvis sensor ensures night vision video in clear detail. Number 5. Nexar Beam. If you're looking for a quick, easy-to-use, and simple dashcam, then the Nexar Beam GPS is a fantastic option. It's super easy and intuitive to set up, and works extremely well with the connected smartphone app. The ability to see your full drives and create clips from them within the easy-to-use app is also fantastic, and great for quickly finding exactly what you need. There's no built-in screen on the dashcam itself, but because of this, it is small and discreet on your windshield. For those who use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly, however, it's a shame that you can't use them both together. You can still use the camera, but without the added functionality that the phone brings, so for that reason, it's not recommended for that type of user. Number 4. Ring Car Cam. We like that the Ring Car Cam uses 2 cameras, one that captures video in front of your car and another that records the interior of your vehicle. You must pay for a subscription to unlock certain remote features, but Wi-Fi and cellular connectivity, a sleek profile, and a 1080p recording resolution are all points in its favor. One standout feature, it gives you the ability to remotely speak with whoever's in the car. It's pricey, but the Ring Car Cam's cost might seem more palatable if auto insurance claims are something you deal with often. Both parents and app-based drivers should appreciate the insights of the interior camera, while the voice-activated traffic stop feature gives you an extra layer of protection if a cop pulls you over, or someone tries to force their way into your vehicle. Number 3. FocUA D2 Duo. The FocUA D2 Duo dashcam from FocUA Store is a remarkable piece of technology that stands out in the competitive world of car accessories. One of its most striking features is the 4K Ultra HD resolution for the front camera and Full HD 1080p for the rear camera. This high-quality recording capability ensures that every detail on the road, from license plates to road signs, is captured with exceptional clarity. This level of detail is crucial for any unforeseen incidents or beautiful scenic drives that you might want to revisit or need for evidence. Moreover, the new 3.39-inch IPS display elevates the user experience by offering a crisp, colorful, and well-optimized video playback. This feature, coupled with smart voice control, enhances safety by allowing drivers to operate the dashcam hands-free, ensuring their full attention remains on the road. Another significant advancement is the integration of faster 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which is a leap forward from the traditional 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. This improvement means quicker and more efficient video previews and downloads, making it easier to share your driving experiences on social media or store them for future reference. The Focus D2 Duo also shines with its built-in GPS tracking, providing valuable data like vehicle speed, driving routes, and real-time geographical coordinates. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who love road trips or need to track their driving routes for professional purposes. The dashcam's superb night vision, enabled by the Sony Starvis sensor, ensures that nighttime driving is recorded with the same level of detail as daytime. Additionally, the dashcam's 24-hour parking monitoring offers peace of mind, knowing that your vehicle is under surveillance even when you're away. Overall, the Focus D2 Duo dashcam is not just a recording device, it's a comprehensive car accessory that enhances driving safety, provides valuable information, and ensures peace of mind with its array of advanced features. The dedicated customer service and the 12-month worry-free service are the cherries on top, making the dashcam an excellent choice for drivers looking for quality, reliability, and advanced technology in their vehicle accessories. Number 2. Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. Don't be fooled by its size. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 packs an awfully powerful punch for something so tiny. It may not have features like a display or GPS, but it does produce great image quality and has voice controls in case you need the camera to do something mid-drive. Plus, like other recent Garmin dashcams, it can smarten up your car with features like forward collision warning, lane departure warnings, speed camera and stoplight notifications, and more. And there's the Garmin Vault, a cloud storage that automatically stores all your recordings in the cloud for safekeeping. But the biggest strength is its design. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is so dinky you probably won't even notice it on your windscreen, which means far fewer distractions when you drive. Number 1. Vantrue N4 3-channel 4K Dashcam. The Vantrue setup offers 3 separate cameras to simultaneously record what's happening in front of, behind, and inside your vehicle, all in high resolution and with night vision. Built into the camera is a handy time-lapse feature that saves storage space on the memory card. The main drawback with this dashcam, you'll need to purchase the GPS module separately, and it's required if you want to record location, route, and speed data with video content. The suction mount makes installation easy. For ongoing security, there's a parking mode that activates whenever you leave your vehicle. This dashcam is a great option for rideshare drivers. And there you have it, folks, the top 6 dashcams to keep you safe and secure on the road. Whether you're navigating bustling city streets or cruising down country roads, these dashcams offer the protection and peace of mind you need. From high-resolution recording and advanced safety features to smart connectivity and intuitive design, each of these models stands out for its unique benefits. Remember, investing in a quality dashcam isn't just about capturing scenic drives or unfortunate incidents. It's about ensuring your safety and accountability in an ever-unpredictable world. So choose the one that best suits your needs and drive with confidence, knowing that you have a reliable eyewitness on board. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details on each product. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful reviews and tech tips. Got questions or insights about dashcams? Drop us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Drive safe, stay vigilant, and we'll see you on the road and in the next video.